When buying a sedan, reliability is the key factor. The right car can provide 300,000 to 500,000 miles of trouble-free driving, low maintenance costs, strong resale value, and excellent safety. In this video, we'll cover the top 7 most reliable sedans, supported by Consumer Reports and J.D. Power data. This guide will help you choose a sedan that truly lasts. 1. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is often considered the gold standard of mid-size sedans. Its engine and transmission can easily exceed 300,000 miles with regular maintenance, making it a car that truly lasts. The 4-cylinder models are fuel efficient, while the V6 offers strong acceleration without compromising reliability. Safety-wise, it scores top marks in IIHS and NHTSA crash tests, with standard features like automatic emergency braking, lane assist, and adaptive cruise control. In terms of resale value, the Camry holds its worth better than almost any competitor, often retaining 60 to 65% of its value after 5 years. Among Camry models, the XLE and hybrid trims are considered most reliable over the long term, with hybrid powertrains having low failure rates according to J.D. Power. Costs are moderate. Base models start around $28,000, making it affordable, durable, with excellent reputation. 2. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord combines sporty yet dependable performance with a long-term reliability record. Its 1.5-liter turbocharged and 2.0-liter engines are durable, often surpassing 250,000 miles with smooth CVT or 10-speed automatic transmissions. On safety, the Accord includes Honda's Sensing Suite, offering collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition, earning excellent ratings from IIHS and NHTSA. Consumer Reports praises its engine and chassis longevity, while J.D. Power highlights low repair frequency and high owner satisfaction. Resale value is solid at 55 to 60% after 5 years, and the EXL and hybrid trims are particularly reliable. Pricing begins around $27,000, making it a dependable and practical option for families and commuters. 3. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is the compact sedan that defines reliability. Its engines are simple, lightweight, and long-lasting, capable of 200 to 250,000 miles with minimal maintenance. Safety is excellent. The Corolla consistently receives high marks for crashworthiness and includes Toyota Safety Sense with forward collision warning, lane departure alerts, and automatic emergency braking. Consumer Reports ranks it among the most reliable cars in history, and J.D. Power shows extremely low repair frequency. Resale value is very strong for a compact car, maintaining 55% of value after 5 years, and LE and hybrid trims are considered most durable. Base pricing starts at $23,000, making it affordable, reliable, and low cost to maintain over the long term. 4. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic offers a sporty, fun-to-drive experience without sacrificing reliability. Its engines, whether naturally aspirated or turbocharged, are known to last 200,000-plus miles, with well-tuned transmissions minimizing mechanical stress. Safety ratings are excellent, with standard features such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, making it a top performer in crash tests. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the Civic highly for long-term reliability, and J.D. Power gives it strong dependability scores. Resale value is solid, around 50 to 55% after 5 years, and the EX and Touring trims are noted for their reliability. Pricing begins around $27,000, offering a balance of affordability, performance, and durability for compact sedan buyers. 5. Lexus ES. The Lexus ES combines luxury, comfort, and exceptional reliability. Its smooth 3.5-liter V6 or hybrid engines often last 250,000 miles or more, making it one of the most durable luxury sedans on the market. Safety is a major highlight. Advanced driver assistance systems, excellent crash test scores, and premium safety features make it a standout. Consumer Reports consistently rates the ES among the most reliable luxury sedans, and J.D. Power places it at the top in long-term dependability for its class. Resale value is strong for a luxury vehicle, retaining 50 to 60% of value after 5 years. The ES300H hybrid and ES350 trims are most dependable. Prices start at $42,000, offering a long-term investment in both comfort and reliability. 6. Hyundai Sonata. The Hyundai Sonata has made significant strides in reliability in recent years. Its engines are designed to last 200,000 miles plus, and its modern suspension and chassis components are durable under daily use. Safety ratings are excellent, with standard features such as forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, earning high IIHS and NHTSA scores. Consumer Reports now ranks Hyundai in the top tier of non-Japanese brands, and J.D. Power notes strong dependability trends over multiple model years. Resale value is slightly lower, at 45 to 50% after 5 years, but the SEL and limited trims are most reliable, offering the best combination of features, safety, and long-term durability. Prices start around $26,000, making the Sonata an excellent value sedan. 7. Nissan Maxima. The Nissan Maxima is a full-size sedan that blends performance with reliability. Its V6 engine is robust and capable of 200,000 miles plus, delivering smooth power with minimal stress on components. Safety ratings are strong, with advanced driver assistance features standard in higher trims and solid crash test performance. Consumer Reports highlights its durable powertrain and well-built interior, while J.D. Power shows above-average long-term dependability. Resale value is moderate, around 45 to 50% after 5 years, and the Platinum and SV trims are most reliable. Pricing started $38,000, offering a combination of performance, comfort, and long-term durability. These sedans prove that reliability, safety, performance, and strong resale value can coexist. Toyota and Honda dominate for long-term dependability, but Lexus, Hyundai, and Nissan offer excellent alternatives in luxury and full-size segments. If you want a car that lasts for a decade or more with minimal headaches, these 7 sedans are the best choices.